Beautiful. Okay, I'm just curious. If you were to go
Yeah.
into a time machine, press a button
Yes.
and go back maybe 10, 15, 20 years, if you want and talk to your
Okay.
younger self, what would you say?
I would say, if I could say to my earlier self, like my 18-year-old self, I'd say, have the courage to write your own story in this life. Don't be so pressured to live out the default script. Meaning, when we're born, we're given this default script and this is how you should live life. The way I was taught to live life was, okay, Vin, go through school, get a professional job in, after you've done university. After you've done university, then buy investment property number 1, buy investment property number 2, buy investment property number 3, build up enough equity, buy commercial property number 1, then you've made it. And that's a default script I was given because that's what my dad and his brothers did. And for so long, I felt the pressures of that default script. What I had to gradually learn, and I wish I could tell myself this earlier, is that you are the author of your own story. You are the one that holds the damn pen. Stop giving that pen away to other people, not even your parents. This is your story that you need to write. And your parents at times will try to take control of this pen. Society at times will try to take control of this pen. Life, your partner, your children will try to take control of this pen. But I want you to remember that no matter where you are in life, you are the author of your own story. This story you only get to write once. Don't be afraid to write new chapters. Don't be afraid to close old chapters and write a story that is thrilling. Write a story that is exciting, because monotony, a life of monotony, a boring chapter, they always will try to creep into your life. But at the end of the day, what makes a book riveting and exciting is at least 14 extremely riveting chapters. You have the pen, you are the author. Write your story the way you want it.